Hello there, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make a Pong game on Scratch. So first, let's just delete the Scratch card and you can choose a backdrop. Actually, you have to. So just pick any backdrop, go to the backdrop, convert it to vector, and we want to make this small red area beneath, so like this, as you can see. So this is basically when you miss, the ball will bounce onto the red part and it's game over. So this is like the danger. And let's choose the paddle. We're going to use this to reflect the ball and make sure it doesn't hit the red spot. Let's make it a bit higher. So let's go to when green flag clicked, go to x0 y negative 155, and what we want to do is forever set x to mouse x. So what will it do is it will forever go to the x position of the mouse. It'll set its x position to the mouse's x position, therefore creating this. As you can see, it is continuously following the mouse's x position. Let's stop it now. Now we have to choose a ball. Can make a baseball, basketball, whatever. I just pick this one. Now what we want to do is, let's just make this a bit smaller. When green flag clicked, make this a bit higher. Go to x0 y 100, and what we want to do is make a block called point in random direction and click this box, run without screen refresh. So basically I'll just point in a random direction. And what you want to do is put a block called point in direction under the defined block and go to operators, place in the block, pick random 1 to 359, the number right before 360, the full angle number, where 360 then just equals 0. Now we don't want the pointing direction to be 90, negative 90 or 180, because if it were to be that, If it were to be either any of the 90s, negative 90 or positive 90, the ball will go like this forever. As you can see, it's not accurate, but it will never come down. And if it were to be 180, it'll just go like this. And you can just leave your paddle in the center to do it like forever. So yeah, we want to check if it's neither of any of these numbers. So what we want to do is take an if statement, take a division block, type 90 as the number we're going to be dividing by, and what we want to do is we want to take out this block, abs off, round off, direction. And if the direction is negative 90, 90 or 180 divided by 90, it will give an answer that isn't a decimal. So we want to check if it doesn't contain a decimal, and if it does, we restart the entire block again by placing the point in random direction. So I'm just doing it again. We want to put this block into the contains, and we want to put a decimal point and put in a not block. Now we want it to bounce. Also, meanwhile, let's add a score. Let's rename this variable to score. Set it to 0. So forever, move, let's say 12 steps. If on edge, bounce. We want to put an if statement, if touching paddle, turn 180 degrees, change score by 1, and we want to check if we are touching the red color, which we are avoiding to. We want to put touching color, not this green color. We want to press this whatever drop thingy, I have no idea what it's called, and select the red color. Then we just like go to sounds, choose a sound, lose. Let's pick this. Sounds good. We will play this sound and stop all. Basically, this block is game over block to check if we have lost. So let's test it. Anyways, let's just show our score and also enlarge it. No. As you can see, let's just leave it there. Yep. Okay, it is. Let's just make the paddle. Just go here and click put this block. Go to front layer. And you can play. And yeah, guys, that is the tutorial. If you want to see more tutorials like this, and also some animations soon. I'll make one soon. Then subscribe, and also subscribe to see some, yeah, other shit I make. So yeah guys, that's it. Bye.